much as I can. Yeah.
Do you think as South Africans we into poetry as we are into other things like the industry?
No.
Tell me about
I
it.
think only now we are trying to grow poetry because now we are getting it to commercial space, you know. I think abantu mabebona poets nje, they just think, well, magama uzokhuluma nje na, you know, uzosikhalisa nje, you know. They just think theater, you know, the acting and stuff like that. So, I'm putting poetry in music now. So, I think it's gonna grow to that because a lot of people are also starting to do that. Now you can listen to poetry and it's a nice song and you can sing along in Kondlo as if though it's a rap song, you know. So I think with time we're gonna get there. But for now, khona abantu abasa close-minded about mabeboni poets. It's just a book and theater, you know. But yeah, we're gonna get it there. Trust me, Sophie. Up.
One thing that I enjoy kakhulu with TikTok is watching inkondlo zase-DUT. Nkosi yami.
Yeah, kakhulu
talent laphana Nkosi.
Yeah.
I wish that we can have more of that. I think we need a freedom of expression because I don't think we get that a lot.
Yeah, that's true.
And I believe through poetry.
Yeah,
and sometimes maybe we mhlambe mina ngeke ngikhona ukurecite ukuthi kwathi but I think by writing and read.
But yeah, khuluma inkondlo, you know. So yeah, we are trying to do these sessions that we are doing so that abantu, because like Goli inkondlo iningi eThekwini.
Yes.
So like Goli I've seen ama sessions awekho. If akhona, you must pay to perform there, you know.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I was so shocked. There are people who give you the stage and everything and you pay them to perform there. And there's not even a crowd. They can't bring in a crowd. So I think we did Gagele Nkondlo, my event. That's what we're trying to do because we have open mic. It's a free open mic. Bafika abantu lapha, musicians and poets. And yeah, people are loving that because abayijwayele like God, you know. So people are
by
loving
the way
that.
guys, icegele inkondlo uyifounder yayo. Ningadideki. Sikhuluma ne-founder yecegele inkondlo.
And I also saw when I went to, because I've been saying they shouldn't box poets, you know. Like a poet can come to a festival, I perform and people will listen. You know, because I saw Mangia in Cape Town on this Java tour, Mang performer to a big crowd. People went silent and they listened to what I was saying. And poetry worked because they like, no, you need the spaces too for a poet. No, poetry can be performed anywhere. People want to listen. And I must be puzile. Yes, that's when they listen to damn yes, young chela, you know. So people must just stop boxing us, man. They must stop boxing us.
Yeah, because obviously when we think poetry, we think of closed off things. You know, we can't express, no shouting.
But if you know how to conquer a crowd, you can.
And what was the reason of you thinking ukuthi uvule icegele inkondlo?
That's because abantu abaningi besebekhalile vela about sessions eGoli uthi yo asinama sessions eGoli. So owner Pata reached out actually and was like, yo, I like your work and I think ungasebenza like with venue. So he gave me the venue. So I was like, damn, kwahlangana nje ngisacabanga vele. And then we started.
And then yenzeka nini? How like ama sessions when niwenza nini na nini?
We do twice a year. Or once a year. Kuya ngokuthi budget team. Yeah, but we started more 2022. We've been doing every year pata, but now I'm moving it. So sebenza nase Onomo, Sentin and stuff. Also trying to get Cape Town and Durban. But yeah, obviously we need the funding, but I must need the funding as I'm a poet.
And yes, I had another guy lana ozbiza ngokuthi usisanuse ne. I just igama lakhe ngilikhohle Shaman Chant.
Okay.
What's the saddest part about i-craft yenu? Njengoba usho ukuthi nina government akanifund. unless fanele wazi ubani.
Baya ngama-connection, yeah. Baya ngama-connection. So when we do shows, umuntu uyayithola funding, you go to the show, they don't want to pay you because one person enganze i-shout out again uGubela. Gubela does get funding and he pays abantu aba-performer, you know. Durban. Abantu base-Durban, they get funding because kwazi ukuthi poetry se-Durban. You know? Yeah, because banama-connections also. My connections, guys, but yeah, some people get funding. Ugcina ngokubona kwi-poster ukuthi kubhalwe NAC, kubhalweni, but payment we don't get paid. Uhambe uyoperforma and bona babone ngathi bakuphutha on, yabo. So also as ama-poets thina ourselves sicekelana phansi,
yes, I was about to ask that ukuthi nina ninodwa, do you shield each other, do you support each other?
I think inkinga kuba yilokho also ukuthi kunabantu ababhekelana phansi abangafuni to help, you know, ukuthi I'm just gonna give you the stage to perform, umuntu apocket imali, you know. So at the end of the day awusakwazi ukubeka isinkwa etafuleni, you know.
And you still need transportation to get there. You have bills to pay.
Yeah.
Base kubona ugibela itaxi bese thina ngoba sizitshela ukuthi hayi uSam she's
next thing abantu bakubuza kanti why ungenzi ukuthi imali ayikho, people are not paying us. So I would say nje to all the fellow poets ukuthi bayeke nje leyo nto leyo of the competition of bukelana phansi,
because you are all unique.
Yeah, that's the thing I'm always saying, you know, it's easier to unique. Support another person because if we are ithemba icraft yakho wena, then you shouldn't see another person as a problem. Melumbone nje as umuntu talented umpushe naye, so shouldn't be that hard, honestly.
I love that. And then unalento smooth name ukhuluma, and mina I'm so exposed to poetry esiXhosa engxolayo madoda ibolekeni zakho no, I'm just saying, like it's so what I'm trying to say, I'm not bashing on anyone, right?
No,
that's what I was used to. Madoda ndibolekeni zakho ngambini bafazi ndibolekeni iqhiya ngami, and then you came, and then now kunale, you know, it was a breath of fresh air and be like, oh, okay, you can still be heard without screaming.
Yeah.
I love it.
You
like
just talk.
Umnandi, man. Oh, umnandi. And guys, I want to say this. We are qalane ukuza ku podcast.
Yeah, this is my first podcast.
Oh, you're virgin. G. And I'm so happy. I feel so honored. And then ngifuna ukuthi ungibeke esithombeni, what is Nokhanyisa Entertainment? Is it the same thing as we see kuyo?
Yeah. Nokhanyisa Entertainment is my company. Okay. We do my events, we do management, but I haven't signed anyone because, you know, I want to take my time with finding the right people to sign. And yeah, I'm doing everything under Nokhanyisa. Necegele's contract under Nokhanyisa. So yeah, that's the companies.
Interesting. And because
we'll be doing films soon. So
yes,
look out for that.
You know what? A reason, and ngiyajabula ukuthi uye wangitshela ukuthi what is it all about, because bengisazokubuza ukuthi are you signed with any record label?
No, I'm not signed. I'm independent. I have my own label.
And it's a good thing. I think it's one of the things that gives us sure with the late Ricky if people could learn that they can still be, they can build their own empire without depending on someone else, because we now end up hating on each other. Siyabona ukuthi abantu benziwani, like ama celebrities out there, and it's not a good thing ukuthi wena uNkulunkulu kuphele talent and you working so hard and there's someone who just come and
azothatha nje the ithelo zakho.